Hello everyone. You probably hear the word AI, ML, and deep learning all the time. But let's be honest, they can be really confusing. Are they same things or exactly not? The easiest way to understand them is to think of nesting doll. You know, those dolls where a small one sits inside medium one and the medium one sits inside a big one. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how those three dolls fit together so you will never get them mixed up again. Let's get started. Today's video, we will understand what is the deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence exactly. So, first is artificial intelligence, the outer layer here, right? So, artificial intelligence is the broadest category. It refers to any technique that enable computer to mimic human intelligence. This does not always means thinking like a human, but it just means the machine can perform tasks that usually required a human brain power. So, what is the concept? The concept is the program that can sense, reason, and act and adapt. Okay, so that is artificial intelligence. The simplest example is a basic chess program from the 1990s. Okay, so it is not learning as it plays, but it is just following a very complex set of if then rule written by the human coder. Okay, so this is artificial intelligence. Then there is next machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So it is a specific type of AI. Instead of human programmer writing every single rules for the computer to follow, we give a computer we give the computer a massive amount of data and let it figure out the patterns itself. So the concept is like algorithm that improve their performance as they are exposed to more data over the time is machine learning. So machine learning it uses math and statistics to find patterns. The simple example of machine learning is a spam filter for your emails. You don't write a rule for every possible spam word. Instead, you show the ML model thousand of spam emails and thousand of real emails, and it learns to recognize the difference on its own. Okay, so next is the deep learning. Okay, so it is the subset of ML. Okay, so deep learning is a specialized evolution of machine learning. It is inspired by the structure of the human brain, specifically layers of neurons. These are called artificial neural networks. While standard ML often needs a human to help organize the data, for example, telling the computer, look for the shape of ears to identify a cat, deep learning can figure out those features entirely by itself. So, deep learning is a multi-layered neural network that can learn extremely complex pattern from massive data sets. So, what it required? So, it needs a huge amount of data and a lot of computing power. The simplest example for deep learning, we can say the facial recognition on our phone, right? So, the layer of network first recognize the edges, then shapes, then features like the nose, and finally a specific face. So that's how the deep learning works. So in the final recap, AI is the big doll. It is just a machine acting smart. Okay. Machine learning is the middle doll. It is machine learning from data. And the deep learning is a teeny doll in the center, and it is the most advanced part that act like a human brain. Okay, now you know the difference. Which one do you think is the coolest? Are you interested in the big word of AI, the way machine learning finds pattern, or the brain power of deep learnings? Let me know in the comments. If this video made sense to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my next simple tech breakdown. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Thank you.